PA Patriot Prospecting checking in. Couple targets in the backyard. Been pulling pieces of aluminum foil out of here. In that hole.
Out front?
Huh?
Out front?
There's the piece of aluminum foil. Just checking out the backyard. Dug that one hole, it took me like 20 minutes. The dirt is so hard. I figured it would get a little softer as it went down, but nah. It's only been 95 for about 5 weeks now. Definitely some targets worth digging, I guess. I mean, I can't tell what they are. I don't have one of them metal detectors that give you the different numbers, but I got my ground balance set on about 58. Everything else was just loud. Like I said, definitely a lot of targets. House was built in 1960. 59 actually. I'll have to start digging up some of this stuff and maybe get used to different sounds for different things, and hopefully that'll help. That's discrimination mode, so I don't know if that's telling me it's steel. If anybody can help me out, that would be great. I got it on boost mode. Mineralization is low. Maybe I should put that up on normal. Hey, that's better. I'll figure it out. Another 20, 30 years, I'll have it licked. Of course, I'll be in a wheelchair by then. Pretty big backyard, man. A lot of targets. A lot over here in these corners. And by that tree and over between those trees and up by my new peach tree. They just built this fence, so there's going to be a lot of nails in here. Definitely got some targets to check. I'm happy about that. My ribs finally feeling better. I can bend over now. Then it's gone. Piece of pipe. Yeah, man. As soon as it gets a little rain, I'm gonna dig up some of these things. It's a little rough right now. Some things are ringing louder than others and sound like they have different tones. I don't know if it's just me, but still trying to learn this thing. This is my piece of aluminum. Faint signal there. Probably deep. Skull bug only goes 6-8 inches. Pretty cool, man. how dry my lawn is, man. Might be some coins, you never know what you find. Out front a little bit. There's a lot of signals. Another. Boy, my front yard and backyard's gonna look like a minefield when I'm done. As soon as we get a little rain though, it'll be easier to make the plugs. It won't fall apart. BA Patriot Prospect out. I'm gonna get into this. Getting into it, baby.